Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 6th to 10th October 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as we can see 0.22% positive move, 1.17416 was the closing on Friday. So here I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen or what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check the weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here in this weekly chart, if I talk about the weekly candle, we can see a bullish candle with a medium body and a good upper wick and a small lower wick. Currently, if I talk about the stochastic RSI is ranging around 19 to 22 range. That is indicating as a over currently is around in the range of oversold area, which indicates as a positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So this is a one-day chart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for such weekly analysis. Currently here we can see a good support zones and resistance zone that we have already marked during a previous week analysis. So currently we don't need to mark any new marking. So let's talk about directly what was the closing here. 1.17416 is the closing here. Here the direct support is 1.17168 and direct resistance is 1.17454. After direct support, there is a support of 1.16921 and then 1.16500. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.17882 and then 1.18202. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels. Also, if you are from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Also, I have shared a discount coupon code which will help you to take 20% discount on any challenges if you buy from the number one platform or the number one prop firm given in the description. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm and how it works and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. Let's now talk about my opinion in Euro USD in this week. So according to previous week momentum, I am expecting a positive move in this range, that is 1.174542 to 1.17882. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range currently. If you're looking for any short trade, I only look for short trade once 1.17168 gets breached and a one-day candle gets closed below this, then we can go for a short position till a small scalp, that is around 1.16921. If we see a one-day candle below this, then we can expect a good momentum. So here overall my expectation is a bit positive. What are your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section, and if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.